Good evening. Welcome.
Good evening. Thank you.
Do you have reservation?
Yes, I do.
Your name, please.
My name is Tom Carter.
One moment, please.
Of course, no problem.
Yes, I found it.
Great, wonderful.
3 nights, correct?
Yes, 3 nights.
Single room, yes?
Yes, single room.
Your passport, please.
Here it is.
Thank you very much.
No problem at all.
How was your journey?
Long but comfortable.
Where did you fly from?
From New York City.
That is very far.
Yes, 8 hours flight.
You must be tired.
Yes, quite tired, actually.
Room is ready now.
Oh, that is great.
5th floor, room 502.
Is there an elevator?
Yes, just behind you.
Perfect, thank you.
Here is your key card.
Thank you very much.
Breakfast is included.
What time is breakfast?
7 to 10 morning.
Perfect timing for me.
Restaurant is on 2nd floor.
Good to know.
Wi-Fi password is in room.
Oh, great. I need that.
On the desk. Written.
Thank you. Very helpful.
Do you need parking?
No, I have no car.
Okay, no problem then.
I came by taxi.
Is the room quiet?
Is it a quiet floor?
Yes, very quiet floor.
That is perfect.
Any special requests?
Extra pillow, please?
Of course, no problem.
Thank you so much.
We will bring it up.
Wonderful. I appreciate it.
Do you need wake-up call?
Yes, please. At 7.
7 o'clock. Confirmed.
Perfect. Thank you.
Is this business or leisure?
Just tourism, leisure.
First time in London?
Yes, very first time.
You will love it.
I am very excited.
Many things to see here.
Any recommendations from you?
Tower London is amazing.
Yes, I want to go.
Also, Hyde Park is beautiful.
I love parks.
Very close from here.
How close exactly?
About 15 minutes walking.
Perfect. I will walk.
Weather is nice tomorrow.
Oh, great news.
Sunny and warm day.
Perfect for sightseeing.
Do you need city map?
Yes, please. That helps.
Here, take this one.
Thank you. Very useful.
Marked best attractions here.
Oh, already marked? Perfect.
Our hotel concierge marked them.
Very thoughtful service.
We try our best.
You are doing great.
Thank you, very kind.
I mean it sincerely.
Do you need taxi tomorrow?
Maybe in the evening.
Just call the front desk.
Okay, I will call.
We arrange it quickly.
Good to know.
Is there anything else?
Yes, one more question.
Of course, please ask.
Is Jim available here?
Yes, 3rd floor gym.
What are the hours?
6 morning to 10 evening.
Perfect for morning workout.
Towels are provided there.
Wonderful. Very convenient.
Swimming pool also available.
Oh, I love swimming.
Same floor as gym.
Even better news.
Pool is heated too.
Perfect for any weather.
Open same hours as gym.
I will go tomorrow.
Bring your key card.
Yes, I will remember.
For pool access needed.
Understood, thank you.
Room service is available.
Until what time?
Until midnight every night.
Good, just in case.
Menu is in the room.
I will check it.
Any dietary restrictions?
No, I eat everything.
Good. Menu is varied.
I am sure it is.
Checkout time is noon.
12 o'clock, understood?
Late checkout is possible.
How much extra cost?
$50 extra charge.
Okay, good to know.
Just inform us beforehand.
Yes, I will inform you.
Is there anything else?
I think that is all.
Enjoy your stay, sir.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to London, Tom.
Thank you. Very excited.
Have wonderful 3 days.
I definitely will.
Call us anytime needed.
I will. Thank you.
Good night. Sleep well.
Good night. Thank you.
Enjoy your rest.
I certainly will. Goodbye.